Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best tractor tire is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked components for any serious gardener or small farm owner, and today we're diving deep into what makes a particular 18x8.50-10 model stand out from the crowd, ensuring your machinery performs at its peak when you need it most, whether you're tilling soil, hauling loads, or navigating uneven terrain, because the right tire can make all the difference in efficiency and comfort. Number 5. MaxAuto 18x9.50-8 AG Farm Tractor Tires, 2-pack. Introducing the MaxAuto 18x9.50-8 AG Farm Tractor Tires, designed for superior performance. This pack includes 2 durable, 6-ply tubeless tires. Experience maximum pulling and pushing power with their sharp angle tread. These super lug tires are ideal for garden tractors, tillers, and trenchers. These heavy-duty 6-ply tubeless tires are compatible with a wide range of equipment, including lawn mowers, tractors, snow throwers, and ATVs. Featuring a tire size of 18x9.50-8 and a load range of 6 PRC, they offer a section width of 8.7 inches and an outer diameter of 17.75 inches. Please note that these tires are designed for non-highway service and are not suitable for high-speed applications. Always verify your original tire size before purchasing. This package includes a set of 2 18x9.50-8 tractor tires. Please be aware that the wheel is not included. What we like. This tire features a sharp angle tread for maximum pulling and pushing power. If you have a garden tractor, tiller, or trencher and need superior traction in tough conditions, this is the choice for you. Its heavy-duty 6-ply construction ensures durability for demanding tasks. What people say. The tire has a good tread pattern for traction. It fits perfectly on my tractor and performs well. Durable construction that holds up to heavy use. Number 4. MaxAuto Sport ATV Tires 18x9.5-8. Introducing the MaxAuto Sport ATV tires, designed for superior performance on various terrains. Get a set of 2 for your vehicle. Before purchasing, please verify the size of your original tires to ensure compatibility. This ensures you get the correct fit for your ATV. These tires come in a size of 18x9.50-8, with a tread depth of 14.5 mm and a rim width of 7.00. They are built to handle tough conditions. Featuring a low-profile design, these tires offer controlled sliding and enhanced comfort and stability. Experience a smoother ride. They are designed to fit most ATVs and mini bikes that require an 18x9.5-8 tire size. Upgrade your ride with these versatile tires. With a load capacity of 455 pounds at 20 psi, these tires are built for durability and reliability. They are perfect for mud, sand, and off-road trials. What we like. Experience controlled sliding and enhanced comfort with its low-profile design. If you're looking for a tire that offers stability and a sporty feel for your ATV, UTV, or mini bike, this is an excellent option. The 4-ply rating provides a good balance of performance and maneuverability. What people say. This tire is a good replacement for my John Deere 318. The tread pattern provides excellent traction on grass and dirt. It holds air well and has a durable construction. Number 3. MaxAuto at 18x9.50-8 ATV Tires, 2-pack. Introducing the MaxAuto at 18x9.50-8 ATV Tires, designed for durability and performance. This 2-pack offers a robust solution for your off-road adventures. These tires feature a 6 PRC load range and a 0.59-inch tread depth for reliable performance. With a 9.5-inch section width and an 18-inch overall diameter, they are engineered for demanding conditions. Constructed with a heavy 6-ply rating, they resist punctures and abrasions. The premium rubber compound and aggressive tread pattern ensure enhanced grip on various terrains like desert, mud, dirt, and rock. Perfect for a wide range of vehicles including ATVs, UTVs, zero-turn mowers, go-karts, and golf carts. Their aggressive tread excels in loose mud and grass. Each order includes a convenient 2-pack of 18x9.50-8 ATV UTV tires. Please note that wheels are sold separately. Before purchasing, we advise checking if the at 18x9.50-8 size matches your current tires. This ensures a perfect fit and avoids any inconvenience. What we like. Get superior traction on any terrain with its aggressive tread pattern. If you frequently ride in desert, mud, dirt, or rock conditions, this tire's puncture-resistant construction and all-terrain grip will keep you moving. It's ideal for ATVs, UTVs, and zero-turn mowers that demand robust performance. What people say. The tire has excellent traction on various terrains. The tread pattern is aggressive and provides great grip. The tire is durable and holds up well under heavy use. Number 2. Carlisle HD Field Trax ATV Tire, 18x8.50-10. Introducing the Carlisle HD Field Trax ATV Tire, designed for your ATV, UTV, or side-by-side vehicle. Experience superior performance and durability on any terrain. Crafted with long-lasting materials, this tire is engineered to withstand the toughest conditions. Its damage-resistant compounds ensure extended use and reliability. Enjoy a stable ride thanks to its wide construction. This design provides excellent traction and control, enhancing your driving experience. Designed for a vehicle-specific fit, it ensures optimal performance and compatibility with your ATV or utility vehicle. Please note, the rim is not included. With a load capacity of 600 pounds, it's ready to handle demanding tasks. This tire is the perfect upgrade for your off-road adventures. What we like. This tire offers a stable, wide construction for reliable performance. If you need a durable and long-lasting tire for your ATV, utility vehicle, or fun cart, this is a great pick. Its damage-resistant compounds ensure it can handle various terrains and uses. What people say. This tire is a great replacement for my old tires. It fits perfectly and provides excellent traction. I was impressed with the durability of this tire. It has held up well to heavy use and shows no signs of wear. The tread pattern on this tire is aggressive and provides superior grip on various terrains. I feel much more confident driving my tractor now. Number 1. John Deere 18x8.50-10 Industrial Tire Assembly. Introducing our heavy-duty industrial tire assembly, designed for demanding work environments. This tire is built to last and provide reliable performance. Specifically engineered to fit John Deere models 1023E, 1026R, and 1025R. Ensure a perfect fit for your tractor's specific needs. Featuring a robust 6-ply pneumatic tire construction for enhanced durability. It's ready to handle tough jobs with confidence. Equipped with an aggressive K514R4 tread pattern, it offers superior traction on various industrial surfaces. Get the grip you need. Mounted on a sturdy 5-lug wheel with a vibrant, powder-coated yellow finish. This assembly combines strength with a distinctive look. This assembly replaces John Deere part numbers LVA 20123 and LVA 16251. Please verify your model and part numbers before purchasing. What we like. This is a heavy-duty tire assembly with an R4 industrial tread, specifically designed for certain John Deere models. If you own a John Deere 1023E, 1026R, or 1025R and need a robust industrial tire, this pre-assembled wheel and tire combination is a convenient and direct fit. It's built for demanding work applications. What people say. The tire is a perfect fit for my John Deere 318. Excellent traction on hills and in mud. Durable construction, holds up well to heavy use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.